Start each day with a positive mindset and a grateful heart. Which means, baby, we should be always positive and think nice thing, and we should be really happy and grateful to each and everyone who does things for us.
What are you cooking, Mama?
I am cooking a very nutritive food for you.
Nutritive? What is nutritive?
You don't know what is nutritive?
No.
Okay, I will tell you. So all the foods that gives us energy, that gives us proteins, carbs, vitamins, calcium, with which we grow, are all good, healthy, nutritive food. And all the foods which have no food value are all junk foods.
No value meaning?
Okay, so I'll explain you. So all your green leafy vegetables, your fruits, milk, egg, non-veg, they are all good, healthy, nutritive foods. Whereas your burgers, your pizzas, chips, chocolates, cold drink, like what you have water coming in your mouth, these are all junk foods. You don't get anything from that.
Can you tell me more about it?
Sure, I'll tell you. Come. See, I'll tell you more about it. Now, all the fruits that we have, like the tomato, lal tomato, your cucumber, beans, capsicum, all these are your good, healthy, nutritive vegetables, green leafy vegetables. You know, green leafy vegetables are very good for eyes. They make your eyes strong and nice. And this, your chocolate, your gems, these are junk food, right? Fruits like mango, very good for health. We have eggs, very good for health. These are very good source of protein. You should definitely have curd every day. They are very good and they help you get strong. And one more thing which is very important for you to grow is milk. You should definitely have at least 2 glasses of milk every day to make you strong. It gives you calcium, which makes your bones really strong. Okay? So Tanira, talking about your popcorns, the namkeen that you eat, biscuit, the chips that you like, all these are a part of junk food. What is it?
Junk food.
You can have it at times to munch around, but not every time. This does not serve any purpose, right? So it's just a munching thing at times if you want to eat. Now are you clear with it?
Yes, Mama, I am. Now I know the difference between nutritive food and junk food. Can you tell me a story about this?
Sure, I can. Come, let's hear a story. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Sam. He loved to eat all kinds of junk food. Let it be French fries, burgers, chocolates, pizza, Maggi, and soft drink. His poor mom was so upset. She would keep on telling Sam to have some nice nutritive food like all the vegetables and fruits, to have milk, some cereals or dals, but he would just not listen to her. And one day Sam had lot of stomachache and started crying, "Mama, Mama, help me, my stomach is aching." Mama quickly called the doctor. Doctor came and looked at Sam. He said, Sam, you've not been eating proper food, and that is why your tummy's aching. You should have all nutritive foods like fruits and vegetables. You should have lots and lots of milk and things like that. You should not eat junk food. That day, Sam said sorry to his mom and said, I will only eat lots and lots of nutritive food. So babies, now you know why we should only eat all the nutritive food only. We get lots of proteins, carbohydrates and other nutritive things that we want for a healthy body and to grow big and tall. Yeah? So now you all know about it. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.